In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps involved with creating a template for cell stain linearity determination for the In-Cell Western. So up here, you're going to click on Create Template. Going to give it a name, give it any kind of description that you want. And then for cell stain, we do need to choose In-Cell Western. And we're going to use the 96 well plate format, and then choose cell stain linearity. Now from here, we're going to set up our background wells. Going to set those as background. And if there's a description that you want to add for that, you can add that at that point. Click Next. And if you have any positive or negative controls that you're also using for determination of your linearity, you can add those at this point. We're just going to go on to the next step and also skip the negative controls. And then for samples, we're going to say set that as sample. And then in the value, in the name here, we're going to add the number of cells that have been seeded onto this. And so for each one of these, we're going to add those values. And again, this is going to match the template that is already available by default. Then once you have all that set up, you click Next, and then you'll need to group these into their various groups so that they can be analyzed together. And if you ever accidentally click on and select a well, just click on it again to unselect it. And then you can give it various names if you need to at this point as well. If you want to add in the information again with the number of cells that have been seeded, you can add that here also. And then here at the end, you get the report of all of your various groups that you have added in here. Thank you.